All right, people. I've got a treat for you today. The chocolate Kodiak cake. First off, you need a bowl, a scale, a knife, and a stirring thing, and 53 grams of mix. Now, you can use the cup as a measurement, but just be exact with the grams of the scale. And you're gonna hit around 80 grams of water. The more water, the better. Just not too much water. That would be bad. And you're gonna stir it just like you would stir anything that you have. A cake, brownie mix, just about anything. Just get it nice and moist. And then throw it in the microwave. Yeah, I said microwave. All it takes is 1 minute and you've got cake. 1 minute. Cake in 1 minute? That's crazy. It says 15 minutes on all boxes of cake. Yeah, I am not joking. What? Look at that cake. 1 minute. All right, so you're gonna use your fork and you're gonna kind of ply it off the sides of the bowl. This is the key right here, is you wanna get it all peeled off so when you pour it out, it comes out nice and fluffy. Oh, chocolate cake. Look at Ready Whip. That's a low-calorie Ready Whip, but no corn syrup, just a lighter cream, and it tastes just like it. It tastes just like it's only 5 calories. That's probably about 5 calories right there. And look at that. I snuck in a second cake. 2 cakes. Now we're gonna bring this knife in here, and this is a whole optional part, okay? It just matters to make it look pretty, make it look like cake, because what it does is it tricks your mind. I could cut it all out like that, and it'll be good to go. Okay, almost there. 4 corners, and now it looks like cake. Ooh. And now we're gonna add some Halo Top ice cream. This is low-calorie, high-protein ice cream, and it makes a perfect pairing for this delicious, protein-healthy chocolate cake made of 100% whole wheat. A second scoop of ice cream. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Look at the whipped cream. Oh my Jesus. Look at this. This is how I eat my cake and ice cream, okay? I put it back in the bowl, all of it, all the trimmings, everything. Goes back in the bowl, gets mixed around, okay? It looks like something you get at Dairy Queen now. And this is healthy. I mean, to an extent, it's low calorie. It's absolutely delicious. It's so good. Look at this guy. Look at it, looks so good. Look at it. He's enjoying the hell out of it.
Holy shit.
Did you hear that? He thinks it's good. He thinks it's freaking good.
This is so good.
Delicious.